In the heart of nature, where every movement tells a story, lives one of the most fascinating birds of the wild. Today we take you closer to its life, its beauty, its behavior, and its world. Welcome to our bird documentary. This colorful little bird is a bujariga, one of the most popular pet parrots in the world. The scarlet macaw is one of the most striking parrot of the tropical rainforest, with brilliant red, yellow, and blue feathers. Blackspuds are frequent visitors to gardens, always searching for food with curiosity and gentle behavior. The dark male and the brown female, a young bird, share a simple meal together. These small green parakeets are agile and social birds, often seen perched together on tree branches. This is the European goldfinch, with its striking red face and golden wingses, one of the most colorful songbirds of the region. Here you can see a great tits, a bright and energetic songbirds. Great tits live in Europe, parts of Asia, and North Africa. These birds are curious and intelligent at visits, feeders throughout the year. This is a Eurasian collared dove, a gentle gray bird, often perches quietly in trees near villages and gardens. This colorful flycatcher is known for its vibrant blue head and gentle rust-colored chest, found for the forests of the Himalayas. This is a woodpecker. These woodpeckers are common in Nepal and India. This striking woodpecker explores the forest, tapping into trees in search of hidden insects. This is a small, yellow songbird. It has a bright yellow head and body with darker patterns on the wings. This bird, common in South Asia. This is a sun conure, a bright parrot with yellow, orange, green, and blue feathers. Sun conures are found in forests of South America. This is a small brown woodpecker. It has a reddish head, sharp beak, and climbs tree branches looking for insects. Here you can see a blue-headed parrot. It has a blue head, green body, and red patch under the tail. These parrots are cum birds found in the forest of Central and South America. This is a Eurasian magpie, a smart black and white bird known for its long tail and curious nature. Now you can see a cattle egret. It has a white feather swift, a light orange tint on the head and neck. This bird commonly found across Asia, Africa, and Europe. The blue dacnus is a small, Brightly colored songbird known for its stunning turquoise blue body and black. Phismas species is commonly found in tropical forests and woodland edges of Central and South America. This is blue-throated barbet, a small and colorful forest bird known for its bright green body, blue face, and red crown. It lives in the tropical forests and hills of South Asia, and their loud rhythmic calls can often be heard echoing through the forests. Majestic and heavy-bodied, the turkey is known for its striking face, adorned with shades of red and blue. This is common in North America, also kept worldwide on farms. This bird is black vulture, a scavenger that plays a vital role in nature's cleanup system. They are commonly found in forests, farmlands, and open areas. This small, delicate bird is the common tailor bird, a familiar resident of South Asia, recognizable by its warm olive-green back, rufous crown, and bright white under. This is the black-colored ibis, a graceful wading bird of South Asia. With its long curved bill and glossy black plumage, it searches for and small creatures across open fields and wetlands. The verditer flycatcher is Asmel mountain bird known for its bright blue feathers. This is a juvenile eastern imperial eagle. Its pale head and brown patterned body help it blend into open grasslands and farmlands, known for its powerful flight and sharp vision. It is found across Central Asia and South Asia. This is a crane, a tall wetland bird known for its long legs, slender neck, and graceful movements. These are pelicans. The pale great white pelican with its huge throat pouch uses its bill to scoop fish from the surface. These elegant birds are flamingo, known for its striking pink plumage and long slender legs. The Steller's sea eagle, known for its huge yellow beak and powerful wings. One of the strongest eagles of the northern coasts. The coot is a black water bird with a white beak. It builds floating nests from reeds and grasses, and both parents care for their chicks on the water. This is the domestic pigeon, a common city bird known for its strong homing ability and gentle nature. It thrives around human settlements worldwide. The Egyptian goose is a colorful water bird found across Africa and parts of Europe. It has striking red legs, brown and white feathers, and often seen near lakes and rivers, searching for plants and small insects. This is green bee eater, a small and colorful bird found across South Asia. Its bright green body and long tail help it blend into forests and fields. Here you can see a Eurasian siskin, a small, lively yellow bird. It feeds on seeds and stays in flocks, tiny but energetic. Now you can see a secretary bird. It is a very unique and famous bird found in Africa, especially in grasslands and open savannas. This is a gull. Gulls like this one are expert navigators of both water and sky. They often stay near lakes, rivers, and coastlines. The peacock is one of the most beautiful birds in the world, famous for its long, colorful tail, decorated with eye-like patterns. It usually lives warm forests, but it can adapt to many environments. The white wagtail is a small active bird known for its long tail that constantly wags up and down. It has a gray body, white face, and black markings. They are common across Europe, Asia, and parts of Africa. In the quiet winter landscape, a bright northern cardinal stands out against the snow, its red feathers glowing like a flame. Nearby, a small group of searches for seeds, moving quickly and alertly together. These hardy birds show how wildlife survives even the coldest days of winter. In the icy frontiers of the Southern Ocean lives one of nature's most elegant seabirds, the king penguin. High in the branches of an old tree sits one of nature's most skilled hunters, the hawk, with sharp eyes that can see even the smallest movement on the ground. These species are very common in South Asia. In the quiet edges of lakes and rivers lives one of nature's most elegant hunters, the heron. This bird is a master of patience. Gray herons are very common in South Asia, Europe, Africa. Herons love places with water. Wherever there is water and fish, you can find herons. This is a crowned crane in the green grasslands of Africa. Walks one of the most elegant birds on earth. These birds are famous for their incredible dance. This striking bird is the Muscovy duck isole, recognized by white, bright red skin on its face and its bold black and white feathers. These ducks found in South America, North America, Europe, and Asia. This is the Eurasian hoop, known for its elegant crown of feathers and bold black and white wing patterns. These birds are common in Europe, Asia, Middle East, and Africa. This vibrant parrots are lovebirds, named for their strong pair bonds and affectionate behavior. These birds are common in Tanzania, Kenya, Ethiopia, Namibia, and also kept as pet birds worldwide. Here you can see a purple sunbird. The male becomes shiny metallic blue and black during breeding season. Among the soft pink cherry blossoms, the Japanese white-eye dances, lightly sipping nectar while its bright yellow, green feathers glow like spring itself. They are common in Japan, China, Korea, and Taiwan. Tiny, fast and brightly colored, the hummingbird is one of nature's most magical creations. Hummingbirds are known for their agility. This beautiful bird is a kingfisher, one of the most colorful and famous birds in Asia. The common kingfisher is a tiny but striking hunter of rivers and ponds. The peregrine falcon is a symbol of speed, precision, and power. It is famous for its incredible hunting dive called the stoop. These birds are living almost everywhere in the world. This is the red-legged partridge bird. These birds are often live in small groups. They are found in Spain, France, Portugal, Italy, and some other parts of Europe. Here, you can see a female scarlet minnow. The female minivet is known for her calm nature. You can find them in South Asia. This is a European robin, a small, charming bird, known for its bright orange-red chest and friendly behavior. They are common in Europe, United Kingdom, Western Asia, and North Africa. The robin feeds on insects, worms, and small berries, searching the ground with quick, delicate movements. This is the white heron. These birds are expert hunters. They stand perfectly still near the water, waiting with patience. Then with lightning speed they strike, catching fish, frogs, or insects in a single quick move. They are found in South Asia, Africa, Australia, Europe, North and South America. This is a Atlantic puffin, a very famous seabird, known for its colorful beak and cute penguin-like appearance. The Atlantic puffin is often called the clown of the sea because of its bright, multicolored beak and expressive face. These birds found in the North Atlantic Ocean. Now, you can see a cormorant, a skilled fisherman of the bird world with its sleek black feathers and sharp, hooked beak. They are found in South Asia, Europe, and Africa. This is the macaw. The blue and yellow macaw is a bright and colorful parrot known for its deep blue wings, golden yellow chest, and strong black beak. They are very intelligent, social, and vocal birds, often found in South American rainforests. Meet the Gouldian finch, one of the most colorful birds on earth. With its rainbow feathers and gentle nature, this tiny songbird brings life to the grasslands of northern Australia, a rare jewel of the wild. The gray lagoose, with its soft gray feathers and bright orange beak, is a graceful resident of wetlands. It is one of the most common wild geese found across Europe and Asia. The white peacock glows like a living pearl with feathers as pure as snow and a graceful crown on its head. This rare beauty moves through the sunlight like a silent symbol of elegance and majesty. White peacocks are rare in the wild but very common in captivity. People breed them for their beauty. This is a hawfinch, a strong, thick-billed songbird known for its powerful beak and striking colors. They are found in Europe, Western and Central Asia, and parts of the North Africa. This is a black grouse, a very striking species known for its dramatic appearance, especially the bright red eyebrows. They are found in Europe and Asia. This is the hooded crow. It is commonly found in South Asia, Europe, and the Middle East. This is the laughing dove. It is a small and colorful dove found in South Asia, the Middle East, and Africa. Here we see the helmeted guinea fowl. These birds are originally from Africa and are known for their spotted feathers and loud calls. Now you can see a little wattlebird. It is a beautiful bird with streaked feathers and long beak. Wattlebirds love drinking nectar from flowers, and here it is, feeding in the garden. This is a jacana bird. It has long legs and long toes that help it walk on water plants. Jacana live in wetlands and make floating nests. They are beautiful and very unique birds. This is a buff-necked elbia. It has a long curved beak and a buff-colored neck. These birds live in grasslands and wetlands. They are very beautiful and unique birds. Here you see the marabou stork, one of the largest storks in the world. It has a bald pink head, a huge bill, and long legs. Marabou storks are scavengers and often perch on tall trees. They are commonly found across Africa near lakes and grasslands. This is the Toko toucan, famous for its huge bright orange beak. Despite its size, the beak is very light and helps the bird stay cool. Toucans live in the forests of the South America and mostly eat fruits. Here you can see the sulfur-crested cockatoo, a beautiful white parrot with bright yellow crest. These birds are native to Australia and are known for their bintilsons, loud calls, and playful behavior. They feed on seeds, fruits and flowers, often gathering in large flocks. This young gull is in its juvenile plumage, covered in brown Patarian feathers. Here you can see a common moorhen, a water bird with a red bill tipped with yellow. It has white streaks along its sides and is often found feeding near ponds and grassy wetlands. An olive-backed sunbird tends to its chicks, bringing food to the nest with great care. Two yellow budgerigas share a close moment, grooming each other, a common behavior that strengthens their bond. Here you can see a nuthatch feeding from the hand. Nuthatches have a blue-gray back, a white underside, and a black line across the eye. They are quick, active birds, often found in forests and parks. Nuthatches are known for their confidence around people and sometimes come very close to take food. This is the white-throated kingfisher. It has a bright blue back and wings, a chestnut brown head, and a clear white patch on the throat and chest. These kingfisher found across South Asia, including Nepal, India, and Sri Lanka. Here you can see a black-crested bull. It has a bright yellow body, a black face, and a pointed black crest on its head. These bulbuls are found across Nepal, India, and Southeast Asia. They usually live in forests and gardens. This is the Himalayan snowcock. It is a mountain-dwelling bird found in the high Himalayas of Nepal, India, and Tibet. The Himalayan snowcock has mottled brown, gray, and white plumage that helps it blend perfectly with rocky alpine landscapes. Here you can see a kalij pheasant, a beautiful ground-dwelling bird found in the forests of Nepal, India, and Bhutan. It has a gray patterned body, a bright red face, and long tail. Across the frozen ground, a small minnow searching for food. Its dark feathers and bright yellow beak stand out against the snow as it moves carefully, adapting to the cold environment. This is common in Nepal, India, and South Asian countries. The rose-crowned fruit dove rests on a branch, its pink crown glowing in the light native to Australia, Indonesia, and nearby islands. This is the African gray parrot, famous for its intelligence and voice. This remarkable bird is one of nature's greatest communicators. On the open green field, two galahs feed peacefully side by side. Their pink feathers shine in the sunlight as they search the grass for seeds, an everyday ritual for these gentle Australian cockatoos. This is the common wood pigeon. This species can be found across Europe and parts of Asia, living in woodlands, parks, and gardens. Thank you for watching.